Okay, on these, what I'm going to do is look at the denominators. I'm not crossing them out, I'm highlighting them. Sorry, let me try to do this. It might be better. Okay, I'm going to find the least common multiple, or the common denominator people call it, between 7v and 3v. We each have lowest common denominator, or least common denominator. We have a v. 7 and 3, let me show you how I do this. 7 is 1 divided by 7. 7 divided by 1 is 7. For 3, 3 divided by 1 is 3. They have a 1 in common. So I have a 1 times the numbers that are not circled. So 1 times 7 times 3 is 21. So that's my LCD. If I were going to add these together, it would be 21v. So I'm going to put that with each term, like this. I'm multiplying. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. And the v on the top cancels with the v on the bottom. So that's just 5 times 3, which is 15. Then I have a minus sign. The v cancels. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Equals 1 times 21v is 21v. Well, 15 minus 14 is 1. So 1 equals 21v. 21 times v, the opposite of times is divide. So divide both sides by 21. And that doesn't simplify. So v equals, top cancels with bottom. 1 over 21 is your answer. So I'm going to take this number. Another way of doing the LCD, if you don't like the T-chart, if you need another lesson on that, I have another video on it. I'm going to take the biggest number, 15. And I'm going to see if I can divide the other numbers. 15 divided by 3. Yeah, that works. 15 divided by 5. Yes, that works. That means 15 is the number that I want here. And then the letter that they have is U. You just want one of those. Okay, so U cancels with U. 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. Equals. 15 cancels with 15. 1 times U is just U, plus U cancels with U. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 12 times 3 is 36. So I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides. Negative 16 equals U. Opposites cancel, and U is already by itself, so that's the answer. So I'm going to take the biggest number on the bottom, 9, and I'm going to see if the other number divides into it. 9 divided by 6 does not work. So now start adding that to itself. 9 plus 9 is 18. Does that work? 18 divided by 6? Yes, it works. That means that I'm going to put an 18 with each term. Now notice, I did not put an 18 with the y. That's because the y plus 3 is on top of one fraction. So you only put the 18 with each fraction. So, and you have a y for each one. Okay, for the first fraction, y cancels with y. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now this 2 has to be times everything over here. So 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times 3 is 6. The next fraction, I have 18 divided by 6 is 3, and this is a negative here. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15, and I've got a y there that didn't cancel. Equals, y cancels with y, 1 times 18 is 18. So 2y, take away 15y is negative 13y, plus 6 equals 18. Subtract 6 from both sides. Negative 13y, opposites cancel, equals 18. Take away 6 is 12. Divide by negative 13. So y equals Negative 12/13 does not simplify, so that's your answer.